Hello children, hope you all are fine and have completed the work which I had given. Today in this video I am going to teach you multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition. For example, if we want to add the number 2 3 times, what we do? We add the number 2 for 3 times, like 2 plus 2. First we add this 2. How much we are getting? 4. Then it is added to another 2. So we get the sum as 6. So multiplication means repeated addition. This is the sign of multiplication. This is read as into. To put into the number, we should read it as 2 into 3 equal to 6. The answer in the multiplication, that is 6, is called the product. Now we come to the multiplication of 2-digit numbers by 1-digit number. For example, 43 into 2. Write the numbers one below the other like this. 43 into 2. Always start with the ones. First what we will do? Multiply the ones digit by 2. 3 ones into 2 is equal to 6. 3 twos are 6. Write 6 in the ones place. Then multiply the tens digit by 2. What is the 10 digit? 4. 4 tens into 2. 4 twos are 8. Write 8 in the tens place. So 43 into 2 is equal to 86. So the product is 86. Now we come to the next one. Multiplication of 2-digit numbers by 1-digit number with regrouping. Regrouping means with carrying. Let's start with an example. Let us multiply 23 by 4. Arrange the numbers in a column, tens and ones column. So, multiply the ones digit first by 4. 3 ones into 4. How much we are getting? 3 fours are 12. So, carry over, write 2 below the ones column and carry over 1 and write the below the tens place. Now multiply the tens column. So 2 tens into 4. How much we are getting? 8. Add 8 and 1 10, which is a carried over number. So 8 tens plus 1 is equal to how much? 9. So write 9 in the tens place. The product is 92. So 23 into 4. How much we are getting? We are getting 92. Now next we come to the multiplication of 3-digit numbers by 1-digit number. For example, let us multiply 313 by 2. Arrange the numbers in a column. Here you make the column of hundreds, tens and ones. First multiply the ones digit by 2. 3 ones into 2. 3 twos are 6. So write 6 in the ones place. Now multiply the tens digit by 2. What is the tens digit? 110. So 110 into 2 is how much? 1 2s are 2. Write 2 in the tens place. Then multiply the hundreds digit. The hundreds digit by 2. What is the hundreds digit? 3. So 3 hundreds into 2. 3 2s are 6. So write 6 in the hundreds place. So the product is 626. So 313 into 2 is equal to 626. Now let's do the next one. Multiplication of 3-digit numbers by 1-digit number with regrouping. Let's multiply 145 by 3. Arrange the numbers in a column. Hundreds, tens and ones column. Write 145 multiplied by 3. Multiply the ones digit by 3. 5 ones into 3. 5 threes are 15. So write 5 over here and regroup 1. So write 1 in the below the tens column. Write 5 in the ones place and carry over 1 and write under the tens column. Now multiply the tens digit by 3. 4 tens into 3. So 4 threes are 12. Add 12 tens plus 1, which is a carried over number. So 12 tens plus 1 is equal to 13. So write 3 below the tens column and carry over 1 and write under the hundreds column. Now multiply the hundreds digit. 100 into 3. 1 threes are 3. Add 1, which is a carryover number. So 300s plus 1 is 400. So write 4 in the hundreds place. So the product is 435. So 145 multiplied by 3 is equal to 435. Now next let's solve one multiplication word problem. A chocolate box contains 105 chocolates. How many chocolates will be there in 6 such boxes? What we have to do? First we read the problem, understand what is given and what is to be found, and then solve the word problem. So solution, what you will do? You will write number of chocolates in a box. So how many chocolates were there in a box? 105. So you will write 105. So number of chocolates in 6 boxes. What we have to do? First, arrange the numbers in a column. Hundreds, tens and ones. You have to multiply 105 multiplied by 6. First, multiply the ones column. So what you have to do? How many ones are there? 5. So what you have to do? 5 ones multiplied by 6. 5 6 is how much? Is 30. So you will write 0 in a ones place and carry over 3 and write under the tens column. Then you multiply the tens column. 0 6 is 0. And you have to add the carried over number. What is the carried over number? 3. So you will write 3 below the tens column. Now you will multiply the hundreds column. So 100 multiplied by 6 is how much? 6. Write 6 in the hundreds place. So what product you are getting? 630. So the answer is, in 6 boxes there are 630 chocolates. So children, hope you understood the multiplication sums which I taught you. So practice in the book and learn by heart the multiplication tables from 2 to 10. Thank you and God bless you.